Good morning, guys. Today we're going to be doing the surface area of a cuboid. Now I know the worksheet that I've got attached here says cuboids and triangular prisms. I'm just going to do the cuboid bit today. Okay, so let's start off with this cuboid here. Okay, to find the surface area, you're just trying to find the area of all the shapes that are on the cuboid. Okay, so this cuboid consists of a rectangle at the front, and there'll be one at the back, which is just the same. A rectangle at the right hand side, and there will be one at the left hand side which is just the same, and another rectangle at the top, and again there'll be one at the bottom which is just the same. So I'm going to start off by doing the front face. I'm going to highlight it in red. So the area of that will be 6 multiplied by the height 4. Okay, so that's going to be 24 centimeters squared because it's 6 times 4. Alright, I'm going to do in blue the rectangle at the side. Okay, so it's going to be 4 multiplied by 2. So that means that in there is going to be 8 centimeters squared. And then at the top we have the bottom right there is 6 multiplied by the 2. So that's going to be 6 times 2 is 12 centimeters squared. Okay, now all you really need to do is add all those up together and then just double it. Okay, because there's twice as many faces as what we can see there. So I'm just going to go 12, 8, 24, add them all up, 10, 14, 44. So that means that my total surface area will be 44 doubled, which is 88 centimeters squared. Because it's area, it's centimeters squared. So we've got another one. So let's do the face at the front again first of all. So the one that I've just highlighted in blue. So it's going to be, the bottom is 3 and this upright bit is going to be 1. So 3 times 1 is 3 centimeters squared. The bit at the side is going to be 6 times 1, which is 6 centimeters squared. And the bit at the top is going to be the 3 multiplied by the 6. 3 times 6 is 18. And again, because there's 2 18s, there's 2 6s and there's 2 3s, I can just add those all up together and then double my answer. Okay, so 18 plus 6 plus 3 is 27. Okay, and whenever I double 27, I get a final answer of 54 centimeters squared. Okay guys, that should be enough to get you started. If you're not too sure, send me a wee message and I'll do another video for you. Okay.